Bonjour mes amis, je m'appelle David Isaacson. Hi everybody, I'm David Isaacson. And welcome to the first ever podcast of French Learner Word of the Day lessons. In today's first lesson, we will explore how to say egg in French. Specifically, we'll look at how to pronounce egg in the singular and plural forms, and then we're going to learn different ways to order eggs on the menu in France. On y va? Let's go. Word origin. According to Wiktionary, the modern French word oeuf for egg comes from Latin ovum. The pronunciation of egg in the singular form is oeuf. Pronounce the final F. In the plural form, the final F and S completely disappear. Hence, to say some eggs, for example, you would say des œufs. Let's look at the example sentences now. For this first sentence, we're going to learn how to say, I eat about 2 eggs every day. Je mange environ 2 œufs tous les jours. Environ in French means around or about, but for this first example sentence, we could just easily have said à peu près. For example, par exemple, je mange à peu près 2 œufs tous les jours. Et c'est vrai pour moi, and it's true for me. Je mange 2 œufs tous les jours. Second sentence. La deuxième phrase, how to say, how do you like your eggs in the morning? Comment aimez-vous vos œufs le matin? Now for the second sentence, le matin in French means the morning, literally the morning. However, le matin also means in the morning. So, encore une fois, one more time. Comment aimez-vous vos œufs le matin? Now, we're going to look at ways to cook eggs in French, or this is what the vocab you use for ordering eggs on the menu. Scrambled eggs. Les œufs brouillés. Les œufs brouillés. So to order the eggs, you could say, je voudrais des œufs brouillés, or you could equally use, je prendrais. I would take. Je prendrais des œufs brouillés. Next word is une omelette. Une omelette, that's self-explanatory. Je prendrai une omelette, s'il vous plaît. Fried egg, sunny side up. Les œufs au plat. So you could simply order, je prendrai des œufs au plat, s'il vous plaît. I'll have a fried eggs or sunny side up, please. Hard-boiled egg. Un œuf dur. Dur means hard. Literally, a hard egg. Je prendrai un œuf dur. Eggs over easy. Les œufs tournés. Literally, turned eggs. Or flipped over eggs, if you will. Je prendrai des œufs tournés. 2 ways to say soft-boiled eggs. First is des œufs à la coque or des œufs mollets. Last way of cooking eggs, un œuf poché, a poached egg. You could say, je prendrai un œuf poché. Now there is one more common usage of les œufs, or eggs in French, and interestingly, it's how to say a chairlift. How to say the gondola for the ski mountain. So my final sentence is, when I ski, I prefer taking the gondola over the chairlift. Quand je fais du ski, je préfère prendre les œufs que le télésiège. One more time, encore une fois. Quand je fais du ski, je préfère prendre les œufs que le télésiège. Mesdames et messieurs, ladies and gentlemen, mes amis partout, merci beaucoup pour avoir écouté mon premier podcast en français. Thank you everybody for listening, and à la prochaine. Au revoir.